A very good morning, students. So, today I am going to introduce you with a new chapter number 14, Unity in Diversity. So, first of all, let's understand what do we mean by diversity. Diversity means being different from each other in different senses. Now, here, when we are talking about unity in diversity, it is a direct idea about how our country is different from all the other countries in the world. As in India, we are so diverse from each other, we are so different from each other, may it be on the context of religion, on the context of language, on the context of culture, traditions, caste, what not. You must have seen that in our country we celebrate so many festivals. If you go to the western countries, there are hardly one or two festivals annually which we celebrate. For an example, if you go to the western countries, they only celebrate Easter or Christmas, right? But in India, we have celebrations and festivals from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. I'll just name a few. In January, we have Uttarayan. In February, we celebrate different days. We have Mahashivratri as well. In March, generally we have Holi, right? In April, I don't remember what we have, but still, May, June, July, or August, we have Raksha Bandhan. September, October, we have Navratri, right? We have Eid as well. We celebrate three different kinds of Eid annually. Then in October or November, we have Navratri, and at the end of the year in December, we have Christmas, right? And we celebrate all the festivals with the same love, same enthusiasm, and same vigor, regardless of us belonging to different religions. We celebrate it with open heart and oneness. So living in India, this is not new to you as to how many celebrations and how many holidays we have every year. Now let's think a little deeper. Apart from the three important religions that are part of our country, that is Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity, there are other religions as well, like Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, Jewish people, Parsis, who also are equally respected in our country. So, let's take a look at your textbook, page number 90, chapter 14, Unity in Diversity. In the beginning of the chapter, as I just explained, there is a paragraph explaining us the introduction to the diversity, what it actually is. Then we come to religion, then languages. Now, if I give you my example, I was born to the Gujarati parents and then married in Marathi family. I studied in English medium. So, and also while I studied, I also came across learning Hindi. I have many friends who speak Hindi, right? So, how many languages do I know? A general Indian knows around 3 to 4 languages at least. Like, I know Gujarati, I can speak Marathi, I can understand Hindi, I can speak English as well, and so would you. There would be so many people who would be knowing, so many kids like you who would be knowing much more than I know, many languages, right? Like Sindhi, like Bengali. So language is not a barrier in our country. Every state speaks a different language. So there is a huge variety of languages in our country as compared to the other countries where there is only the whole nation speaks only one or two languages. Here we find variety of languages. Moving further, as we just discussed about the culture, we celebrate so many festivals. Here there are certain examples given, like Diwali, Holi, Uttarayan, Dashera, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, Ashadi Duj, Muharram, Buddha Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, Onam, Pateti, Baisakhi, etc. Right? So we celebrate all these and many more. Apart from this, even other celebrations or other festivals with whole heart, right? Even if you are a Hindu or a Muslim, you will be visiting a church and light up a candle on the day of Christmas, right? Or even if you belong to some other faith, you would be celebrating Raksha Bandhan, right? So there is no barrier in celebrating the festivals. All of us come together, and forgetting our differences, we celebrate all the festivals together. Kids, our country is all about accepting the differences. Uh, as it is mentioned that Indian culture is one of the ancient culture of the world. Yes, it is one of the oldest surviving culture in the whole world, and people of our country differ from one another in many ways, such as attire, food, residence, religion, language, custom, festivals, etc. Yet, there is emotional unity. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of our country. We might speak different languages, we might belong to different religion, we might belong to the different parts of our country, but when there is national anthem being played, we all get goosebumps, right? And that shows how united we are. We might believe in different political parties, but when our country is at war with some other country, we come together and play for our soldiers. When there is a Indian cricket team playing on the pitch, we all vouch for the winning of our country. So this shows our unity despite of being so diverse from each other. There are so many factors, kids, that affect our diversity, like the food we eat, the clothes we wear, uh, geographical areas where we live, right? So these are the factors which play a very important role in deciding our diversity.